all my wonderful KCET champions. I hope my dear children are doing absolutely great. So listen to me out carefully. This video is going to be super important for everyone who have registered for KCET examination. Listen, our job does not end by registering to an exam. Okay, we have to prepare for it academically. Also, we need to know all the whereabouts of the examination that we are going to give. How exactly is the counseling process going to be? How was it the previous year? What was the cutoff the previous year? Was it the same for different category of children out there? Or what was the actual difference? Is the difference too much? Do you think that I have got a chance to get entry into colleges through KCET, or should I be looking for a backup? All these answers you should be having at this particular point of time, because you know there are n number of other exams also which are ongoing. You might not have registered for it thinking that I might get through KCET. So please have that understanding of it. I am going to play a very small role over here, going to help you understand the basic thing about KCET, how exactly the cutoff and things are going to work. It will definitely help you, but I believe that this information will help you understand that, okay, there's an importance to go beyond it. I need to do my research as well. Okay, so listen to me. It's not a video that I am doing so early. It's an important thing for you to know now itself. Okay, so yes, the first question, are all the seats reserved for KCET only? So do you think, if I talk about one particular college, that is RVCE College of Engineering, do you think all the 100% of seats are going to be filled through KCET? No. Which means that we will be able to get to understand that what are the other means of getting into a college, right? So when I say no, 45% of seats are going to be covered with the help of KCET examination itself. Okay. 45% of seats are going to be covered with the help of KCET examination. What about the rest? 30% of the seats are going to be covered with the help of KCET examination. That means we have an option over here, and that is KCET. Is KCET a good option? I'll say yes, but financially, no. Financially, if at all you talk about it, it's definitely on the higher side when you compare it with KCET. So financially, if at all you're saying no, but then wait. You have one more thing, 15% of the seats are going to be filled with management quota seats. Now, when you compare management quota and KCET, obviously there's a huge difference. Okay, in management quota, there could be like too much amount of fees you might have to pay. And when you compare it with KCET, it might be, this particular thing might be too less. Okay, so you get it? So having an option is a good thing if at all you do not want to get through management quota. But 15% of the seats are going to be filled in with the help of management. And last 5% is for SNQ quota. That is what you mean by supernumerary quota. Okay, so general category children who probably might not be having an annual income beyond 8 lakh can go ahead with this particular quota as well. Now, number is very much limited, just 5% of the seats. So yes, have that understanding. Cool? Yes. Now, going ahead with the next question. How is the seat being segregated under KCET? Okay, under KCET also, do you have seat segregation? Obviously, yes. So over here, I have taken the example of RV College of Engineering, and if at all, you look at this. This is RV College of Engineering seat matrix. So they have mentioned the total intake for aerospace engineering is 60 seats. Out of that, total KEA seats is basically the KCET examination seats is just 27. It's just 27. So out of 60, only 27. Now the 27 segregation goes like this. 5% for PH, that is physically handicapped. Okay, SPL for special category, HK for Hyderabad, Karnataka, and RK for residual Karnataka. So all the seats put together, if at all I calculate this, it comes out to be 27. It comes out to be 27. And that is 45% of the total seats out there. But obviously, we need to have a better understanding of this, right? Yes, we definitely need to have. And it goes like this. First thing, subcategories under KCET examination. So what are the subcategories that we have? As I said, first is PH, that is physically handicapped children, reserved for students with disabilities. Around 5% quota is there in this particular seats out there. Next thing, SPL, special category seats. This include NCC, sports quota, defense, and things like that. HK is Hyderabad, Karnataka. So if at all you have claimed for Hyderabad, Karnataka region with the help of 371J certificate, then this category will be for you. Obviously, the cutoff is going to be different for you. So that is there. And now comes RK. And this is majority of you guys are going to fall under this particular category, that is residual Karnataka. You are not claiming for anything up. You are there in residual Karnataka. Please understand, in residual Karnataka also, you have what? Category 1, Category 2A, 2B, and 3A, 3B, everything out there. Okay, so you do not need to be worried. I'll be talking more about it as of now. So let's talk about residual Karnataka. And over here, you have RVCE College of Engineering, right? Now again, if at all you talk about aerospace engineering, you see 1G, 1K, 1R. What is this? Category 1 General. Okay, Category 1 General, for you guys, the cutoff would be like this. That is 10,045. Then we have 1K Category 1 Kannada quota. Okay, Kannada quota, who have taken Kannada quota, they can apply for it. 1R means Category 1 Rural quota. Similarly, 2AG means what? Again, Category 2 General. 2AK means Category 2A Kannada quota. 2AR means Category 2AR means Category 2A Rural quota. So if at all you have applied for Kannada quota or basically Rural quota, you can go ahead and check out your own cutoff which was there for the previous year for each courses of each college. This makes you independent. Listen to me carefully. Me being a teacher and me have already made certain videos for the cutoff and things like that. We usually refer what? We usually refer this particular tag, that is GM. General merit is what we look for, because that has the most of the highest amount of cutoff would be somewhere going around that particular thing only. So general merit is something that we look forward for. But again, we do not talk about these many categories out there because it will be too long to do so, right? But now you know how to check it out. Please check it out. Okay, you know which category you fall into. Please check out the previous year data which is there. It will give you an idea about certain things. I'm not saying the exact thing is going to be repeated, no, but it will definitely give you an idea. Same thing goes for 3AG, AK and AR. So G means general, R means rural and K means Kannada quota. Okay, I hope that is clear. Same thing happens over here. General merit Kannada, and general merit private colleges, and general merit R, that is general merit rural area. Okay, now over here, if at all you see, this is SC general, SC Kannada quota, SC rural quota. Similarly, ST means scheduled tribe. The same thing goes up there. Cool, and I'll show you how you can see that as well. This is for residual Karnataka. Now we can talk about Kalyan Karnataka. There's a whole new thing. There's a whole new list out there. Same thing happens over here. Category 1 H. Category 1 KH as in Kannada. Okay, Kannada quota is also applied over here along with Hyderabad Karnataka. And 1R means Category 1 Rural. The same thing is going to happen for 2A, 2B and 3B. Cool. So please check it out. This information is super helpful and I'll tell you how you can check it out by yourself. So what you need to do is, basically you have to go to KEA's official website. Now here you see previous year details. When you click on previous year details, when you click on previous year details, you can see UG CET 2025. Click on that and you will be able to see all the things which have come up there. Now when you talk about, as of now, I was going to show you how you can look for the cutoff, right? So what you need to do is, click on Control F and type cutoff. I'll be showing you. As of now, I might not be in the screen, but check it out. Look at the screen, okay? So Control F I have clicked and then I have typed, over here I have typed cutoff. Now if you see, third round cutoff is being mentioned over here. Similarly, if I go ahead, if I click on this, second round final cutoff, and the list goes on. So you just have to click on Control F, click on cutoff, and then look for this. Third round cutoff. This was the last round cutoff. Now when you click on this, you can see multiple courses. So all my dear children who have been asking me about pharmacy courses, yoga and naturopathy, you can also go ahead and check for all the courses which are being mentioned over here. Now wherever you see, you will be able to see general and also HK. Okay, general and HK, or probably they might not be writing anything, plain engineering and then engineering with HK. Plain engineering means you're talking about the residual Karnataka cutoff list. Okay, if you're talking about HK, basically that is Hyderabad Karnataka cutoff list out there. Please do that. This is definitely going to help you understand a lot of things. Yes, so all the channels, they usually show the general merit cutoff. For your category, the cutoff might differ. Look for it. Works, and I hope this helped you in some ways. Did it? If at all it did, definitely let me know in the comment section. And by the way, hit on the subscribe button right now, because we will be helping you throughout with the KCET counseling and also academically as well. And I hope we are doing so. Yeah. Now, one more very important thing. That is, we have launched KC30 crash course and it has already started from 21st of March. If at all you're interested, please take it up. The pricing is rupees 2499. There was an off going on, but now it has ended. Again, it is 2499. If you're interested, take it as soon as possible. Do not delay it. Okay. And there is ABHYAS KCET test series as well, and the pricing for that is rupees 999. Okay, it's a test series, it's not a crash course, it's just for mock test. And this test series gave up so many ranks the previous year, 171 and so on and so forth. So check it out for sure. Cool? So I hope that helps. And my dear children, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have any doubts which I can solve, put it down in the comment section right now. Wishing you the best. Bye-bye. Take care.